Hey, this is Emily from WPCourseGuide.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Bunny.net on your WordPress website, how to embed the videos directly from Bunny.net into WordPress with the embed code that they provide, and the settings that come with the embed code and how to use it. So Bunny.net is one of my preferred video hosts at this point because it's so cheap. By paying just for the usage that you're using on your video hosting, it makes it a lot easier to get started with just as little as $10 a month. I think I'm putting in like $10 or something and it lasts me about a month and a half. So it's even cheaper than $10 a month for me, running multiple online course sites, just hosting all my videos inside of Bunny.net. And so how we would do this if we're embedding, for example, in a course for something like LifterLMS, let me jump into the course builder and edit. This would work on a WordPress post, a WordPress page, or even inside of something like a lesson in an LMS tool. So we'll use an HTML block. The HTML block is what we'll be able to embed these videos with. So if I open up one of my Bunny.net videos, there is this embed code over on the right-hand side. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard with this little annotation. It says embed player copied to clipboard, and then I can paste it right here, save changes, and then I'll view my post. And you can see the videos embedded right there. Now, the video actually does have some settings over here on the right side for responsive, autoplay, muted, preload, whatever you want to do there. So if we wanted to autoplay it, you'll notice if you do change the settings over here that you will have to update it on your embed code because autoplay still says false on the HTML we copied. So we would have to change this to true. We could also just recopy this embed code now that we've changed our settings and re-embed it. But it's important to know that when you embed it, and then if you change your settings after you embed it, it's not going to update on your website. So you'll have to change that embed code. But I use this HTML method to embed the videos, and it works perfectly out of the box now. If you're using something like Presto Player, you can also connect that to Bunny.net for a more advanced experience of player controls, but you can just use Bunny.net in WordPress for something like an LMS or membership as well, and that's how you would do it. Let me know in the comments below if you have other questions about Bunny.net, LifterLMS, WordPress, or whatever videos you want to see next. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to see more content like this, videos, tutorials, and courses, check out our website, WPCourseGuide.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.